Hey, welcome to another yoga class. This one is designed to leave you feeling really relaxed, chilled out, and release any tension that may have built up over your day. So with that said, meet me on your mat in a kneeling position, hips over the heels. And we're just going to bring the hands onto the lap and close the eyes. Just taking a moment here to tune into the breath. Let your breath guide you into the present moment and begin to still the mind. Feeling those inhales and exhales. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the face. And just watching, feeling the belly rise and fall. And the chest rise and fall. Starting to slow and deepen the breath as long as that feels comfortable for you. Then from here, we'll just take 3 breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And then gently reopen the eyes and lower the chin down towards the chest. We'll take a half circle with the neck over to the right side. So bring right ear towards right shoulder, just feeling any tightness or tension through the neck, through the upper body. And just pausing, breathing into the sensation. And then lowering chin down to the chest and working your way over to the left. Pause as you breathe, as you become aware of any tightness, any sensation within the body at this moment. Just let it be. Lower chin towards the chest and take it over to the right. Finding that space between the neck and the shoulder, creating space, softening, releasing tension. Lower chin down and take it over to the left. Lowering the chin down and then coming back up to center. Reach the arms up as you inhale all the way overhead. Interlace the fingers and place the palms behind the back of the head. As you exhale, draw the elbows towards each other as you lower your chin down, spreading the shoulder blades apart. As you inhale, open up the elbows, open up the heart towards the sky. Exhale, close it off, rounding across the upper back. Inhale, open chest, open heart. Exhale, round. Inhale. And exhale, squeeze the elbows in. And release the hands down behind the back, tent up onto the fingertips. Squeeze the shoulder blades towards each other, soften shoulders down away from the ears. Really expanding through the chest, nice big inhale. And maybe dropping the head back if you have a healthy neck and this feels comfortable for you. Otherwise, keeping chin tucked. Coming all the way back to center. Inhale, reach the arms up high. And as you exhale, lower the right hand down to the floor. Reach the left arm up and over for a side body stretch. Feel that release, that space being created all the way down the left side of the body. Inhale, reach the right arm up and then lower left palm down, right arm up and over, keeping that arm in line with the ear, keeping space between the neck and the shoulder. Breathing into the stretch. Inhale, reaching both arms up. Exhale, lower the arms halfway down and then reach the arms in front of you, crossing right arm over left. Hands come to the shoulders or palms together for eagle arms. Squeezing the arms together and sending the elbows up away from the face. Feeling that stretch across the upper back. Staying connected to the breath, slow and steady. As you exhale, release, unwind the arms. Inhale, reaching all the way back up. Exhale, lower halfway down, cross the left arm over the right this time, taking either your eagle variation or full eagle arms. Elbows up and away. Shoulders stay soft away from the ears. Squeeze the arms together. And release the arms. Take an inhale, reach the arms up as you come all the way up onto the knees. On the exhale, reach the right arm forwards and the left arm back, sending your gaze towards the left fingers, but keep pressing the left hip forwards, in line with the right hip. Draw the belly in. As you inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, right arm back, left arm forwards, taking your gaze to the right arm. Sending right hip square to the front of the mat. Inhale. And then exhale, hands through heart center, lower the hips back down. And we're going to come into a seated position. We're going to bring the soles of the feet together, coming into butterfly pose, but for this one we are going to bring the feet a little bit further away. Holding it around the ankles or the feet, take an inhale, lengthen out through the spine, so sit nice and tall. As you exhale, start hinging forwards, finding your edge here into this stretch. Opening up the hips, the inner thighs. And when you find that place where you feel enough of the stretch, start to surrender, lowering forehead down towards the floor. Feel free to round through the upper back, relax the head down. Close the eyes. Watch the breath. And slowly start to unwind, coming all the way back up. We'll extend the left leg long, flex the left toes. Right knee is bent and we're pressing into the right foot. Hug the left elbow around the right knee. Right hand comes behind the hip. Use the hand to anchor you down here as you sit really nice and tall. Let your inhale find more length through the spine. And as you exhale, take a twist over the right shoulder. Keep drawing the belly in, hugging the right knee in towards you. Pressing weight through both of the sits bones. And then making your way back through to center. Right foot now to the inside of the left thigh. Take an inhale, reach the arms up, face your body towards the left toes. And as you exhale, start to hinge forwards and take a hold of the foot, maybe the shin, maybe lowering hands to the floor. Keep lengthening through the back, through the spine. And again, once you find your edge, melting down, softening, closing the eyes, and breathing into that stretch. And with each exhale, that tension starts to release. slowly start to make your way up. Extend the right leg, bend the left knee, left foot down, hug the left elbow into the right, and left knee into the right elbow. Left hand anchors you down. Inhale, find length. As you exhale, find your twist. Keeping the right leg engaged, flex the toes. And come back to the center, left foot to the inner right thigh. Press down into the hips. Inhale, reach the arms up as you face the body towards the right foot. As you exhale, hinging forwards. Find that length to begin. And then begin to soften and surrender. Really start to make your way back up. Bringing both legs out in front of you and start to make your way all the way down onto your back. Hugging both knees into the chest. For Apanasana, really drawing the knees in. Maybe giving yourself a hug, wrapping the arms around the shins. And then we'll release the left leg down, keep the right knee in. And then start to straighten the right leg, holding behind the back of the thigh or the calf. Just start to flex and point the toes. Releasing any tension through the calf and through the hamstring of the right leg. Keep the left hip grounded down. And now flex the toes, hold it here, and see if you can gently draw the right leg a little bit closer towards the head. And start to release, bend the left knee, lower the left foot down, and cross the right foot over the left thigh, keeping the right toes flexed. Now you can stay here for this version of figure 4 pose, or you can take the hands underneath or behind the back of the left thigh and start drawing the legs in towards you. And thinking about actively pressing the right hip forwards and at the same time softening and relaxing the shoulders. Relax the face and the forehead and the jaw. And lower the left foot down. Reach the arms out to the sides, cross the right leg over the left, and then lower both knees down towards the left side, reaching or taking your gaze over towards the right hand. Staying in this spinal twist for a couple of breaths. And then beginning to gently make your way onto the back. Uncross the legs, hug knees into the chest. Extend the right leg all the way down. And start to straighten the left leg. Coming into a hamstring stretch on the left side. Point and flex the toes. And flex the toes, hold it here, and see if you can draw the leg in a little closer. Staying focused on the breath. Let your breath be your guide here. Ease off from the stretch. Place the right foot down and lower left foot over the Place the left foot over the right thigh. Stay here or take a hold of the leg. Draw it in towards you. Again, thinking of sending the left hip forwards. Staying nice and relaxed through the shoulders and the face. Let's lower right foot down, reaching the arms out, cross left leg over the right and lower knees down to the right. Sending gaze over to the left or closing the eyes. Just surrendering here. Let anything go that you may be holding on to. Gently making your way onto the back, uncross the legs. And then we're going to from here, bring ourselves all the way as gracefully as you can onto the belly, coming into Sphinx pose, stacking shoulders over the elbows, press the palms down, press the forearms down, and as you inhale, lifting the heart through the gate in the arms. So feeling into that stretch across the middle back area. If you'd like to go a bit further, you can lift up the forearms, pressing into the hands, press tops of the feet to the earth. Keeping shoulders relaxed as always. And lower down. Bring the hands underneath the shoulders, tuck the toes, and start to send the hips back. Widen the knees. And come into a wide-legged child's pose, hips over heels. Walk the hands forwards. Lower the forehead down. Let go, melt down, let the hips become heavy. Allow the shoulder blades to glide down the back. Taking one more breath. And start to walk the hands back. Come back to a kneeling position. Hips over heels. Rest the palms, rest the hands down onto the thighs, palms facing up. Close the eyes for a moment and just take one last cleansing breath here, in through the nose and out of the mouth. Bring the hands together at your heart center. Namaste.